I'm going to make a gingerbread house made of cardboard. I can't wait to start. My mommy already cut the cardboard and I'm so excited to assemble it. We need cardboard, glue gun, and glue stick. Ask your mommy and daddy to help you with the glue gun. My mommy just glued it except the roof. Can you see me? I'm excited. Here is it, guys. I can't wait to decorate it. These are the decorations for the gingerbread house that my mommy cut out from foam sheet and glitter papers. Let's decorate! Yay!
Good job, Sam. Look at that. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Let's do the door. See? Decorate the window. Let's get this one.
On this side. Yes. Okay. Nice.
Let's decorate the room.
Okay, Mommy will put the hot glue. Be very, very careful, okay?
Okay.
Overlap it, Sam. Very good. You see? It's beginning to look a lot like
Gingerbread.
wow.
Oh no, Santa Claus is stuck in the chimney. Let's help him. Let's get him out. Here you go, Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Thank you, Sammy. And I have a gift for you. And then I'm going back in to get my presents.
Wow, Santa just dropped off the gifts for you, Sammy.
Wow.
Right already.
Let's open them.